What is up, you amazing people, and welcome, sincerely welcome if you guys are new around here. If you guys have already been around, welcome again, welcome back, and comment down below. I want to hear what you guys are excited for to see in the future of this automotive industry. I'm excited really to see this new Z06 Corvette, and I'm excited to see what Ford brings with the new Mustang. Obviously that's something we care a lot about in this channel, so let's get right into this video. Okay, so while looking through these spy photos of what the actual Z06 is going to look like, and while we can't see a lot, we can definitely get a lot more information about what this car is going to be a little bit different to compared to that Stingray. Obviously, we know that there's going to be a completely different engine and some things, but it is, as you can see, missing a wing, and there's going to be a more varied outlook on that, and we're going to touch base on this later. So they are going to be offering carbon fiber wheels on this, and that's kind of, as you guys can see, you can't really see what kind of wheels they're offering, what they're doing with those. Obviously they're testing these out and they don't want anybody seeing what they're doing and what they're offering. If this is anything like some other big cars brands do, similar to Ford with like a $15,000 special edition rim, then I mean we could be talking a pretty penny, but they could be ending up looking beautiful. So now I know we've kind of been all over the place with what the Corvette's going to have in the engine respects. And I think it's really important that, I mean, while some things might change, we might have different outlooks, because Chevy just actually came out saying that they're not going to be having a Grand Sport or a Grand Touring, however you guys want to call them. They're going to be having like an E variant, and that one's going to be having that hybrid engine that we thought might be in here. So this engine in this new Z06 is going to actually have a 5.5 liter flat plane crank. And this is going to be completely naturally aspirated. This isn't supercharged, so I mean the actual rev output of it and how high it can rev is going to be incredible. I mean, a lot of other naturally aspirated cars like that are a flat plane crank, I mean they can rev to 8,500 and such, so this is probably going to be a 9,000 plus car, with that being a 5.5 liter. Now when we're talking actually about horsepower, I think we're going to still stay in the mid 600s. I don't think we're going to really be going upwards of 7. I think that if they are going to pursue that Zora Edition or that ZR1, then they're actually going to be putting that into those cars, because those really are the ones that we're going to see with those crazy outputs. So like I said before, we're going to go back to those variants, and I can definitely see what Chevy's doing here, and I can see them having a track pack offered. They're going to have a big wing spoiler on this, and those carbon wheels that I mentioned earlier. Alright, so that's all we have for this one. I hope you guys enjoy this. I enjoy going back to my roots talking about the C8 Corvette. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to subscribe if you're new around here. That's all we have for this one, and you guys have a great one.